Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a photo frame with ice cream sticks. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need around 50 to 60 ice cream sticks, a bottle of strong craft glue, and a pair of scissors. Don't forget a ruler for precise measurements. Also, have your chosen photo ready, perhaps a standard 4 by 6 inch print. Finally, pick out some fun decorative items like paints, glitter, or small beads to personalize your creation. Now, let's start building the base of our photo frame. Begin by laying 2 ice cream sticks parallel to each other on a flat surface, leaving a gap of about 4 inches between them. Next, take 2 more sticks and glue them perpendicularly across the ends of the first 2, forming a simple rectangle. Make sure your corners are nice and square. You'll need to create 2 of these identical rectangular bases. Allow the glue to set for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. With your 2 base rectangles ready, it's time to add layers for depth and strength. Take 1 base and begin gluing more ice cream sticks on top, alternating their direction with each new layer. For example, if the first layer has horizontal sticks, the next should have vertical ones. Continue this process, building up about 5 or 6 layers on each base. Remember to leave a small opening, perhaps 1 stick wide, on one side of one of your layered sections for easy photo insertion later. Finally, let's bring our frame together and add some personal touches. Carefully glue the 2 layered sections on top of each other, ensuring all the edges align perfectly. Once the glue is dry, gently slide your favorite 4 by 6 inch photo into the opening you created. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Use paints, markers, or glitter to add color and sparkle. You can also glue on small embellishments like beads, buttons, or even tiny artificial flowers to make your frame truly unique. Enjoy your handmade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.